This is a hot topic. Everybody wants to use tech. Everybody wants to have a digital first strategy, and helping the industry get there and to achieve that is really what it's all about. An overview of our upcoming research journey here at TSIA is having to do with omnichannel support. Omnichannel support has really been around for many, many years, and at its essence, what we're really talking about here is delivering to a customer a seamless experience in the channel that they want to talk to you with. Offering a variety of channels enables your customers to contact support in the way that's most convenient for them, most timely for them. The issue with offering so many channels is that you can get into silos, where each individual silo has their own answer, and it becomes very difficult for a customer to get a succinct, quick answer to their problem. There's just been a huge proliferation of different channels that customer support organizations have to support. 26% of every single company we do business with has to support 5 or more service delivery channels, which really creates a lot of problems. So if a customer comes in and asks a question, they could bounce around to 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 different channels to get an answer to their question. And once they get that answer, it may be different. There's only one person that knows all the engagement steps along the way, and that's the customer themselves. The target audience for this particular research journey is the Chief Customer Officer, VP of Support, and Manager of Support. They all have a keen interest in delivering a seamless experience to their customers. We have multiple channels, they cost different amounts, they have different effectiveness, and so you want to be able to optimize your assisted support channels and unassisted support channels. You want to begin to incorporate artificial intelligence into how you handle your omni-channel support. So using AI for predictive and proactive support will do it. Digital technologies are advancing so quickly, and there's just a huge need to really start to focus on how do we handle these new digital technologies, how do we become efficient at it, how do we deliver a better customer experience. If you don't get the omni-channel experience right, you have customers everywhere that have great expectations for a digital experience. They expect you to get it right. They expect Gen AI to give you a good answer and to help you maneuver between the different service delivery channels. And if you don't get it right, they're going to take their business elsewhere. They're going to be dissatisfied. They're not going to renew, and they're not going to cross-sell and upsell with you. We are going to do a quick poll, we're going to do webinars, we're going to deliver a final research paper. We are even looking at doing a channel preference survey to help everybody in the industry understand some of the changing preferences and how customers want to engage with you. What I like to tell everybody is that they can be part of the solution. At the end of the day, this particular research journey is really meant to answer this simple question. Customers come to your customer support organization to get answers, and you have the institutional knowledge somewhere in your enterprise. How you get that to the customer as fast as possible, as accurate as possible, in the channel that they want to use is really what we're looking to accomplish with this research journey. My name is Galovski. I'm the Distinguished Vice President of Support Service Research here at TSIA.